have here JBL Go4 speaker with a crackling sound. This is actually a water damage speaker and it's kinda crackles, especially when the bass is deep. Now I'm going to fix this. So this is just a simple fix actually, although short-term fix, but can do the trick. Okay, let's do this. All you are needed of these materials: scissor, trim tape, or you can also use this double-sided tape, and very important, foam or anything like a soft rubber. Foam used in makeup. So I'm going to cut this and put it right there. Now I cut the foam, but this thick, and circular foam is the best because it should be placed here for cover the speaker. So I'm going to place it here and probably fixed the trim tape. See what happens then. This will serve as the buffer that will absorb the crackling sound of the speaker, because you really have to replace the speaker itself to fix that. And if you do not want to replace the speaker, this will be the quickest remedy. That's hard. This tape is so, it's really, oh my goodness, the speaker is so thin. What the heck? I'll have to remove the, so okay, we have, okay, then just simply place it right there on the speaker. Okay, it's maybe too thick, but let's try if this works. This is a bit, I think this is a bit thick. Oh, is this, oh, okay, it's the wrong way. It should be. If this, that can fix the problem. Okay, okay, I got it. It's here. It's, I think thickness is fine. Let's try. Okay, I think the music is suppressed. Couldn't hear anything. Okay, let's cut the. I think it's too big. Couldn't hear anything. Means the sound's been suppressed because of the foam. You have to trim the foam so as not to cover the entire speaker. Remove it so as not to damage the speaker. Whoa. Now I'm going to cut the smaller piece, just enough to hold to absorb the speaker's crackling sound. Cut a bit. Okay, I think this is perfect. Let's try once again. Cover. Yeah, I think we're good. It's never too late to change our love. I think crackling sound is gone. Yeah, crackling sound is gone. A bit low. Yeah, I think crackling sound is gone. Though somehow lowers the deepness of the depth of the bass, but we'll do for now. Thank you.